What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still at Ontario Mills. They got a lot of sneaker shops here. Let's go see how many I can visit. All right, let's go. Let's go. This is the only clearance section here? Man, pretty weak. Pretty weak. I've always liked this Adidas outlet as well. We do got some forums, size 11 and 13. These are 50 off at least. Got some Ultra Boosts, $1.30, 50 off. So these are what, $65? Pretty solid price. This is a 10 to have my size, but definitely not looking for some Ultra Boost. Got some Stan Smiths right here. These are down to 80, 40 off. Got a few sizes. All right, that's about it, man. That's about it. All right, let's check out a few of the aisles real quick. Superstar parlays. These are pretty fire. Ooh, nice material on these. Does have that rubber toe cap, $75, and then you get another 50% off. So what is that, $37.50, hell of a price. Still got these Kermit Stan Smith. I don't know who those are marketing towards. They only have a few aisles, and look at how deep the aisles are. Aisles aren't even that deep, and they just don't have much here, I'm not gonna lie. Do have a few Ultra Boost, and a lot of them not a part of the sale. 130 is not bad, but we've seen them at retail shops for that much lately. Bunch of them going for that price, and then we got other ones that are priced at 200, go for 50 off. This one going for 90 total. I guess this is the cheapest one right here, going for $65, not bad. And the black one, and then that's that a FAMU one. This University Hurricane? No, not really, just University Hurricane colorway, over 100 bucks. All right, got a ton of stores set up. That's it. Do got a Footlocker. I found some steals here in the past. High volume store, so stuff goes on sale real quick. Let's go. Huge Footlocker. Got tons and tons of shoes all along the outside right there, man. They jam a ton of shoes in here. Wait, what's going on here? What's going on here, man? 70% off, so you know I gotta check it out. All city gear, all city jackets. What's the price on these? They are $95, so this is going for about 30 bucks. Not too shabby. Umbro stuff, so if you're a soccer fan, this is all fire. Umbro jackets going for $250. So yeah, $75 after 70% off. Got a bunch of Umbro gear right here. Can't Go Broke. Established in 2017. Those are 70% off. What's the tag though? $70, so at 21 bucks. All city gear right here. These going for 85, so what is that, like $27, something like that? Okay. Dang it, no jerseys, no pro standard gear. That's kind of what we hope for in those racks. All right, let's go check out the sneakers all along the side. Yeah, man, starting off with Reebok. How often do I start off in the Reebok section? Do got the Prism right here. The Panini ones, these are okay. These are alright. I'm not a huge fan of the Panini ones. That's one of them right there. This is the other one. Just, I don't know. I'm just not into them too much. Material on this suede is nice. Yeah, I definitely want these. Man, I'm just waiting for the price to fall. Big fan of these as well. Like, you can wear this with the suit and stuff, right? Right? Of course, I'm looking to find excuses to find stuff like this to wear with suits and whatnot, right? So it is what it is. I wear almost any kind of shoes with suits, actually. So yeah, I'm an idiot. Got the Shack Attacks, one of the OGs right here. Got these bad boys on sale as well. Is this the same one? Yeah, it's the same one, right? And then got this. I've never even seen this color right here of the Shack Attacks. Way too much pink on it for me, but you know, I'm all good with more Shack Attacks. Then another colorway of the Victories. That's a Victory right here as well. Yeah, I'm alright with these. I'm alright. Maybe it's like hella cheap, maybe. Jordan section still got these? What the hell? Do they still have the core purples? Man, I love the Jordan 3 silhouette as well. Don't really love that purple. Look, outlet prices. Jordan 37s right there. How are these still regular price? What the hell? These are old as hell, man. Look, the Lucas right here, outlet prices, $70. Remember, when you buy this type of stuff, hopefully you have a survey coupon. Hopefully one of your boys has a survey coupon. Somebody, hopefully you guys are sharing survey coupons. I definitely do. And do got several Jordan 2s. Got those bad boys right there. They got these. This is a collab. I forgot who it was a collab with. They call this the Responsibility or something like that. These are pretty nice with the nubuck upper. Also got that suede on that midsole right there. And I got those 2s as well. Look at the hella extra long suede on these. What the hell? I've never seen this before. LeBron 20s. Damn, these are dope, dude. These are dope. Definitely love suede. Pain in the ass when they get dirty, but they look so freaking fire. Colorway is kind of interesting. It is, but you know, man, I love that. Bread colorway on sale. Man, okay. Kyrie's down to $70 right here. What is? Oh, the Zoom Freak 4s. I don't know. I've never seen that one. Never seen that colorway. Dang, $100. Normally $130. Running shoes. I have no clue what Under Armour this is. The Hover Infinite 2s. Look at this. $130 down to $30. Holy cow, that is cheap. Damn, that's cheap. Does have a little bit of pink. I'd see if they have my kid's size, but yeah, man, because he needs running shoes, but yeah, he's not gonna enjoy that pink right there. And they got these on sale, not as low as I want them to go. So yeah, we'll keep monitoring those. Do got a ton of stuff here. We went from there all the way down to there. Man, they got the kids in the back, and then they got women's on the right side. Got a lot of stores stayed up, so all right, let's go. And I gotta get back to work eventually. Do got a Champs, let's go. Do got all the Puma MB2s on sale. Most of them, Slime not on sale, but most of them go for $100. So that's the latest colorway of the questions right here. Material on these are on point, dude. Look at this, like super soft suede right here. That tumbled leather feels so nice. These are fire, dude. Yeah, $170 for these, so this does look like it's one of the newest colorways. And then all the ones at Footlocker that were on sale, none of them were on sale. What the hell? They had the black ones on sale. So yeah, this mall, they have both of the original colorways, man. That's crazy. Original colorways of this Shack Attack. Just saw this one just recently for the first time. This is a pretty dope colorway of the Zion 2s. These are $120. This is down to $80 right here. This one's not bad. I like that furry Jordan logo in the back. I'm a fan of that one. Got some Tatums here. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. Super bright, hella bright. $120 for those bad boys. I'm curious to see how these feel. I've never seen a midsole like this, or a lack thereof, because it goes from way up top to way down here, and then got plastic pieces, and then they got Zoom Air in between. So I'm definitely curious to see how those feel. Got some suede leather. The Zion 2s right here go for $100. What's up with his situation, dude? Man, fool getting caught up with like scrippers and stuff like that, or porn stars, whatever the hell he's getting caught up with. Got a bunch of the Jordan 37s on sale, $100. All of them go for $100. Hey. What am I doing? I should be out here looking for the apparel. They do have a clearance section, which is my favorite. Let's go check it out. See, this is what I'm talking about. 70% off Mitchell and S gear. Been talking about that. I haven't seen too many fools talking about that on YouTube. I don't think I've seen anybody talk about this. Everybody's been checking Burlington and stuff like that, but not here. So $125, that comes out to what? Was that $28, something like that? $30, $35, $37, $37. They got Lakers one right here for $125, $70 off. This says small and XL. Dude got an O'Neal jersey right here. 96, 97. I don't remember them wearing this. 96, 97. Do not. That's a medium. So 165. That means that's only $38? That's under $40, dude. That is hella cheap. Dude got the hoodie looking thing, but it's like a t-shirt. What was this going for? I don't remember what this was going for. I can't really see. $130. Got a medium, and I don't know what the hell this one is. But yeah, so What is that, like what, $39 for those? And do got stuff for 25 off right here, but yeah, that's not worth it. That's not worth it. Okay, kind of looks like the Wheaties logo. This is going for what, 50 bucks? Okay, okay. All right, still got a couple more shops. Let's go, let's go. I was just about to say, hey, their semi-annual clearance sale might start soon, and look at that. They started early this year. Last year they started on July 4th. They're starting early. Oh, but they being stingy. They being stingy, 30% off. Last time it was 50% off. So yeah, $6 for these cups right here. Got another, was that another 30% off? Let's see. Oh, they got a Pats one here, go for $6. Damn, and then even this rack is kind of like whatever. They got Harlem Globetrotter jerseys, but that's not something most of us is looking for. $70. Normally 100 to 70, and then you get another 30 off. Chargers shirt right here, $25. Toronto Blue Jays shirt, or is that a jersey? Oh, that's a jersey. So $130 down to $50. That's actually super fire. Phillies jersey right here. Halliday jersey. I don't know. He's still with us. I don't know anything about baseball. $50. Normally $130, and you get another 30 off on top. So $35. Not bad. Iverson T-shirt XL. Mitchell and Us down to 30. Yeah, I'm just not seeing too much. Yeah, I don't see any NBA jerseys or anything. Pretty mediocre. Got $20 jerseys. Hella cheap. Of course, they're for fools that got traded. Jacobs. Jacobs hasn't gotten traded, has he? Jacobs hasn't gotten traded. Why is this one so cheap? It's normally, what, $130 down to $50, and then... Holy crap, why is this so cheap? This is a medium, $20. Holy cow. Like, I can see why these are cheap, because fools have gotten traded. Look at that, like, but really? They got another one right here. Is this a medium as well? Okay. Is he still on the team? Is he getting traded? Is he holding out? I don't know. I don't know. No, that's crazy. That's crazy, though. Pretty sure these shorts are on sale as well. 55 XXL. Gray, or white with black and gray. No, they got other shorts. San Diego Padres shorts right here. $65 XXL. Dude got Magic one right here. $20. $20 large. This is another 30% off on top of that. That's damn near free. Damn near free. Got Toronto Raptors. What's this? This is a large right here. Raptors one going for $55. That's a large. White Sox. White Sox. They got Diamondbacks. Diamondback one's going for $65. Like I said, I'm pretty sure these are all 30% off on top. $55 for the Bulls one right here. Okay, nothing too crazy though, to be really honest. All right, let's go. We're gonna check out some other stores later. All right, on to the next shop. Damn, I was gonna go hit up Reebok. Reebok's at the way far end over there. Dude, I gotta go back to work. I'm out. Wrapping it up. Let's go. Fools enjoying being on that tiny little train. Dang. All right, let's go.